Autel is a leading developer, manufacturer, and distributor of professional automotive diagnostic tools, equipment, and accessories. Autel is committed to producing leading-edge tools, providing customers worldwide with enduring value and superior technology. Visit autel.com to learn more.
Many of you know the Autel ITS600 for its extensive TPMS diagnostic, brake, and tire service functions. But it also allows us to perform 4 of the most valuable service procedures that we as technicians see on a regular basis. Virtually every new vehicle on the road features an engine oil life system, a battery management system, a steering angle sensor, and a good majority of them electronic parking brakes. As technicians, being able to service these systems is something we can't afford to pass up, and the Autel ITS600 gives us the tools to get the job done. Let's take a look at these functions. They're all available under the service icon on the home screen. The first one here is the engine oil life reset. These systems calculate the remaining engine oil life based on how the car is driven and the climate it's driven in. They must be reset after every oil change, not only to turn out the maintenance light, but so they can properly calculate when the next service will be due. I've already got the wireless VCI connected to the car, and from the oil reset screen, the ITS600 will automatically confirm the VIN, or you can use the VIN scan camera feature to easily grab the vehicle data off the driver's side door jamb. The next stop is to select hot functions, and it will bring up the options for oil reset as well as additional service resets that may be available depending on the vehicle. Select the function you want, and the ITS600 will walk you through the rest of the steps to complete the reset. Next up is electronic parking brake service. Again, under the service icon, you can select the electronic parking brake function, identify the vehicle, and the ITS600 will bring up a list of all the available functions, which may include deactivating and activating the brake control system, retracting the calipers for brake pad replacement, setting the pads after replacement, or assisting in brake fluid control. The available functions differ based on the vehicle, but a vast majority of them require a scan tool for service, and you're dead in the water without it. Best of all, you'll never have to worry about booting up your full function scan tool. So if you're already into the job, the ITS600 boots quick, and the service icon is right on the home screen. Now let's look at battery management systems. That's what we call modern charging and starting systems because they are now PCM controlled, meaning they have multiple different control modes in order to maximize charging system output, performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Due to the technology of these systems, anytime a battery is replaced, it must be registered so the PCM knows the age, type, and capacity of the battery. The Autel ITS600 allows you to do this and more depending on the vehicle, and it's all right here. Just tap the service icon and select battery management systems. Lastly, we have steering angle sensor calibration. Any type of repair to the steering system, the linkage, the column, a wheel alignment, collision repairs, you name it, if it affects the steering angle sensor must be calibrated. It's a critical part of a vehicle's safety and stability control system. The Autel ITS600 allows you to perform this reset and will guide you through it with step-by-step on-screen instructions. The ability to perform these 4 valuable services along with TPMS diagnostics, brake, and tire service functions means the Autel ITS600 is smart for your technicians and smart for your shop. And don't forget, the ITS600 can produce detailed reports of diagnostic, inspection, and service recommendations that can be printed or easily emailed to the customer. Thanks for taking the time to see what owning an Autel ITS600 and utilizing these key service functions can provide for your shop and your customers. We'll see you next time.
Autel is a leading developer, manufacturer, and distributor of professional automotive diagnostic tools, equipment, and accessories. Autel is committed to producing leading-edge tools, providing customers worldwide with enduring value and superior technology. Visit autel.com to learn more.